Okay, then our previous procedure, that part, and then okay, then select one plane, any plane we can select. I want to draw this wheel. Okay, in this case, okay, for this wheel, there are dimensions are given. So what are the dimensions? See, the diameter is 30, and internal diameter, internal hole is 11.25. Then this length is given here, see 2.5 here, 2.5, this is 10, and the angle, this angle is given, okay, 45 degree. So you can draw this pulley. So here, and to draw this pulley, I am going to use the revolve command. Hmm. Then in this case, see, we can start this line. If we completed this half part, if we complete the half part of this pulley, means if I complete this, then I can revolve it along the axis. Suppose my center axis of this part, and if I complete this, then I can revolve along the this axis. Suppose this is the x-axis, and along the x-axis I want to draw this sketch, and I am going to revolve it. So we can take x-axis. Otherwise, we can take the which axis we want. Means we can draw the line and we can consider it as a axis. So I am going to draw this. See, first I require here thickness. Otherwise, one thing here we can draw the half part. We can mirror it. Then we can revolve it. That is also possible. So I am going to do this. The total diameter is 30. Diameter is 30 means from this point to this point, the length is 15. Length is 15, and this length is, see, from center to this line is how much? See, this is 2.5, and sorry, this is the 10. So this point to this line, the distance is 5. So enter here, then line, and then give the distance by using the normal command. Okay, and distance is 5 required, and height of the line we require. So for the height, again use the normal command. Line, press middle button of mouse here. Height is 50. Okay, and see, this length is 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Okay, okay. Then next thing is from this point to this, we don't know the length, but we know the angle, 45 degree. So suppose I am going to draw simple line with any dimension. Okay, and I am going to provide here angle. So select the normal command, select this vertical line, this line, press middle button of mouse, click on OK, double click here, then angle is 45. Sorry, total angle is 45. So here half of the 45. Double click, divided by 2. We don't need to calculate it. Then we can delete this unwanted thing. So delete segment command. Then click on this. We can delete the part. Then we are going to mirror it. This side we are going to mirror to the another side. In the sketching, to mirror any sketch, we require the center line. In the this here one center line is given. So draw the vertical line, center line. Then select the sketch. Okay, sorry, I don't want to select this center line because we are going to mirror only this part. Okay, then there is a mirror command at bottom. So click on the mirror command, click on the vertical line, then we can find out the mirror. This sketch we mirror to the right side. Then complete this drawing. Close this because we know that, see, if we use the shaded close loop command, then we can't see the shaded portion to convert into the 3D model. Then here open in command. If we click on the open in command, here we can see that there are 2 openings. And if I click on this, then we can't see any overlapping. We require to check all these things because otherwise we can't convert that into the 3D model. So there are openings. So use here this line command, complete it. Now see, we can see here one shaded loop and we can convert it to the 3D model. But here 3D model, for that we are going to use the revolve command. and for the revolve command we require the see what axis, and we can consider this, otherwise we can draw the another line. But see, one thing is remaining here, what, here hole, at the center there is a hole, and the dimensions of the hole are how much, 11.25. So we can draw, we require to draw here hole. So I'm going to select one center line, and for that the dimensions are 11.25 divided by 2. So normal command, select this, press middle button of mouse, then 11.25 divided by 2. Okay, then use the delete segment command, delete this. Okay, and delete also this. That means we are going to revolve along the axis. Now unwanted line we can delete. Then line, complete this. So we have this shaded loop, this portion, and we can revolve along the axis. So here axis we require to draw. Then click on done. Okay, then we can use the by default axis. Otherwise, if we want to use another axis, okay, see, first sketch I drawn and then exit from the sketch. Then after that I am going to draw the line. So select the sketch, this plane, click on the sketch. Now draw the another line. This is the another line, means this is the previous sketch, and this see color. This is the blue, sorry, yellow, and this is the blue. That means this is the previous sketch, and currently we are in this sketch. So click on done. Now select the sketch, then click on the revolve command, then click on the line. See, here we completed this part. Then say we want 360-degree rotation, we completed it, done. So this is the pulley, and this is the part. Here this part is given. See, this is the part. If I zoom out, you can see this part. Okay, understand? Here is a task, but here we can understand new command, revolve command, and use of revolve command. See, whatever drawings are given in the CAMD subject previously, all the drawings we can draw by using only two commands, that is extrude and revolve command. Means in 3D commands we require only two, extrude and revolve command. So these two commands are very important, this revolve and extrude command, and we must require to be expert in that. Otherwise, it will become time consuming. So in this drawing, we can complete other parts also by using the revolve command. Simple parts. Dimensions of the bushing. Here one part is given, bushing. Then we can draw in that part. So go here. I'm going to close it. In the window, there is a close button. We can close that window. Here I'm not going to save this part. So close it. Then click on the new. Then click on the part. Use default template. Click on OK. Part solid. Then here this plane. We can select any plane. Then go here. See, this is the part. Okay. Then I am going to use the revolve command. Here one sketch is given, and I want to use the revolve command. So see the diameters here, 11.25. Outside diameter is 15. Then these two small circles are there. So first we can start one by one, easy, and then we can easily draw this part. Okay, this is the 11.25 for this part, and length is 31.25. So diameter that 11.25 is the diameter. So here 11.25 approximately, sorry, here we can draw anywhere this part. Okay, 11.25 divided by 2, because 11.25 is the diameter. Right? See? Next thing is this length. This part we can draw, but I am going to take this length, total length 31.25. So draw this 31.25. Okay, then you can complete this. then this thing is remaining. What? This width is 22.5 and this diameter is 15. 15 means half of that is here 7.5. So from this length is 7.5. So to draw this, um, and another thing, distance from this point is 25. So simply we can use this center lines projection as a projection lines means it's become easy to us. So 15, 7.5. Use the normal command to give the distance. 7.5, 7.5. Okay. Then center line here, this distance is 20. So 20. Okay. Now here draw this line with the distance of 2.5. 2.5. Okay. And complete this. Sorry. This point, this point, this point, and this line. Okay. We completed this by using the dimensions. So the return on things. Okay. So this things we completed here. Then see what happened here. We can see the red points. Why these red points? Because there is overlapping and this there is a open ends. If I click on the overlap, see what happened. See the color of this sketch. Now it is yellow. If I click on the overlapping, we can see the color change in the color. Why? Because there is overlapping of one line to the another line. So for that, use the delete command, delete segment command. This delete segment command and delete this place middle button. Okay. So here, see, we can understand that there is a no what this open ends and there is a no overlapping. If I click on, then we can't see here overlapping. Oh, then here we can see this open ends and we can close it by using the simple line command. We can close it. But here one thing is remaining. So if we close, then we can see the shaded loop. Here one thing is remaining. Say this part. This there internally there is a hole. Okay, and here also hole. So for this case, we require to draw it. What? This internal, because we are going to use the revolve command. And if we revolve along this, then we can complete this that 3D model. So I am going to draw this, and the dimensions are given here. But 3.75 and this 21.75. So use this center line, then 3.75, 3.75, 3.75 divided by 2. Okay, and here 21.75 is length, 21.75, 21.75. Okay, then complete it. Okay, then another thing, this line, horizontal line, the distance is from this point to this point, and the diameter is 2.5. So half of it. Okay, take the half. For that again, I am going to draw the center line. Here, normal command. Here, 2.5 divided by 2. Okay, then complete it. Draw the line. Okay, complete. Now delete unwanted things. Okay, this center line, delete it. Then say this is the opening. For that, use this delete segment command. Delete this, delete this. Then there is a see this, this, this. Now we are going to revolve it. This sketch we are going to revolve along the axis. Okay, here if I click on this, you can see the shaded loop. There is no open end and there is a no overlapping. Okay, there is no overlapping. So here we can understand that we can convert that sketch into the 3D model. Then done. Click on done. Then select the one, this same plane, okay, to draw the line. Okay, then click on the sketch. Click on sketch. There is a horizontal line, draw it. Then click on done. Okay, sketch. Click on the revolve command. Then click on this line. Okay, then click on done. So see, we completed this part.